Are you getting all that you can out of the first part of the teaser push through? That's the part where you bend your elbows out to the side and push the bar back, and bend your elbows out to the side and reach up. We call it the stretch with the bar. Are you getting all that you can? Are you set up in a place where you can actually bend your elbows out to the side and then push back, maintaining natural curves of your spine? So, as opposed to a thoracic thrust. Or are you bending your elbows forward and then pushing the bar back because you're afraid of hitting the side bars? Set yourself up on a classical apparatus where the push-through bar, when you have your natural neck curve, almost touches your forehead or nose, but doesn't actually. And if you're on a contemporary apparatus, that when you bend your elbows out to the side and you press your arms back, staying that way and not tilting your elbows up, that the side of your forearm almost touches the vertical poles, but doesn't. So then, as you're doing the stretch with the bar, you deepen lower to some upper abdominals, maintain natural curves of your spine. Again, bend your elbows out to the side, let the bar rotate in your hands, elbows out to the side, and then the top of your shoulder back when you return up. My grasp is a full power grasp. My thumb around one side of the bar, my hand, rest of my hand around the other. I'm using my opposable thumbs so that now the bar can rotate in my hands. That's essential for both safety and ergonomics in terms of what goes on in your shoulder and wrist. Let the bar rotate. So see how much elasticity you can have in the tissues at the underside of your arm and your shoulder girdle and shoulder joint, and your stable spine as you do your stretches with the bar in your teaser. Play with that.